Fruma was also contemporary and my host is and hope and wherever you are coming with your spiritual flowers. A friend in an abo Fruma. My Pia Basemi Becon, Ewa Bosom so. Nipa Bebre appear Abba TV to say, Omuna a friend Nana or a spiritual father or a spiritual say, until one say. Okon at the end of the day, no, they are open on San Kabi. So, what problem now would you call problem? No, no, do be a share. One to me, so I do problem, no, I have more problems now, do na, what do you, Ura? I am wanting to make my Piaba say, maybe Eddie, maybe ma Obiang 419, and I think spiritualist, and I real spiritualist. Me patron me say, when you have train, I won't see me. Nkoma me pese me diu necessary say wonti no na wonfa na ya adwuma ebe boa o meet me receive calls e dey meet me receive call be say nipa 10 12 20 omo nyina the same story adan osi woko nana we ogene sika oko pastor we pastor no akire no akwankire at the end of it no osi wo pese onenanda oye oba fefefe na okọ mu ho a na o pese won fa wonda oye be ma soso a na wo sika o pese won jinu mi patcho sa spiritual adwuma we no se won take you time na wan pe be papa anko wo property wo fie kura wo beton e di ahye sa adwuma we ase na hwe wontimi wonya what you say eye wo sika dia wo di ba no eno na mo di ye woza eno na mo di ye waza no what you say enti me pese won bie wanim wo ankasa wo hu mi face no wo na wo hu na mo face a wo be won say difference wo me ma share me master ti adwuma we ma me o mo kire say o mo ye spiritual man skura o mbe frɛ o no mo kire o say nana wo say ye adwuma say dia wo kasa no na me kire no say wo ma me twɛ adwuma wo ye no enye sa adwuma na me ye me ye la adwuma me ye adwuma na ye adwuma man nipa enye se me twantro because of ade a be dinti nti me patcho bie waso na wonti nkomo a me di no obi wo ho ade a chinkura de wo bedi want me nya obe hu malam TV so na wo frɛ malam me pese won bo me na wo kire wo se pe 40 million pe 50 million pe 100 million na wo ko bobusia e wo bank at the end no be wo say swam ana wo daje no no wati no fie won na kwala o mo sere o mo ti na mi mapiaba mi patwa pese wo say se wa ko nipa be say 5 kro ho a family wo last stop wo family me wo ba mi ho na enye yi ya mi patwa obi a wo bet na TV so na o kire say wo ye busum mura me nkwa no ho me na me kan kire wo no me na bufuruma me na me kire wo sa no obi a wo be kan kire wo say wo ba mi ho na ade wo pe no nsanka ti say endi aduro endi biom enti me pastor azan malam fo amapiaba no na oko bobusia 5 million oko bo program because when we say at the end of the day no se nipa ba ko ba ebia nipa mi no be ba no waji akava atuya sa kano yenim ni nyina nti se nde na me pese mi no village sa secret ni nyina kire amanfo no mu se enya atade kuntan wo be shi atade wontimi na tekura wo be ka se oko ye wo no oko no winda azan no ade a normal we nyina wahu ni nyina we ni nyina ade a ewo use we ti say me pese ebi aka be nya accident na me nya ewo di na me born din a me be fa na hye nti me patcho fa me number no na won frɛ me na me kire o say de huma djuma etie obi be ka say na abofuma na waso ye de na wotimi ye bi waso na wonti asema metimi ye ti se wo ye akwala wa babra pa wonya sika na hye wonya sika no hye we a government worker every month we pay but won't mean ye every month we pay but won't mean ye fa bisa won say aden fa number na umbra na me ye mpa go ma na wo brand ya wo bono na wo ndi no fa so obi a bo bra say wo ndi bra no fa so ba wo bo bra na wo ndi no fa so ba enye nti me be say wo a wo hwe me na wo nim say wo sa ha wo ma fa number na wo frɛ me na me kire wo say de be ye na sa problem na so businessman woni obi na start business ba ndeno ono wasana bie business ba kuma ka ho ba wo de no ekofom aden e ba no sa enye fa number na wo frɛ me na me ma wo business no em sorry engineer what you say wo ye nipa obi nipa mpe wasem wo ye nipa mpe wasem obi hu nkura no eyese obufu ohye no nipa twa bra me ho obi a nipa bia obehu bia wonim no wo de wanya hu ano eye no ti se ebia nipa kura wa hu da na enye se enya no kura wanya hu what you say ena wesu ho aduro for girls wanya minister bia kwala o pese won ro ne no president akwala ana girl bi wa open no na wa tu wa bu kosia o pese ye nchi no adwema o be patro fa number no ana be na so woni be ma wo ho 5 years 6 years na satan no woni sika wa be nya sika no wa dogi o na okofa bi oba foforo be patro fa mi number no na on frame mbe kire o se dia obeye na dia open no sabeka enye anu dedede no na ikase aduro die won to koya won se aduro ho won ni sika na obeka se aduro ni ho because sika na di aduro won ni sika obeye dia ko di aduro what I say be patro nti eya mo hwe obi be ba TV so obe ba social media mo hwe no face mo hwe na character what I say na mo se oya no kura ni na wo tontoro me meti ho no enye se akom na edi me na meti ho eyambo nyame hyira wa na so wa nipa on se nyame ahyira wo tumi na nyame di ama me se me mfambo amanfo eneti na me pese obi ahun se problem bi e da wo so na wonim se wontimi solve no me patwa fa na na bo furuma number wo frɛ me am be ka kyerɛ wo se de obeye na sa problem na solve wo ti ho no wo akọ abuchire wo abuchire 5 years 6 years woni papers wontimi ya aduma na wo kọ abuchire no use family number no na frɛ me na me kyerɛ wo se de to me tie wo pese ye no na wo ngore no mama papers e betimi aye no wo pese ye no soso na wo mama papers no director e betimi aye no enya no eno so eni se wontimi mbaga na ha yentimi ye no ma wo betimi awo London UK Germany Italy na ya ye no na ya adwuma spiritual adwuma ye frɛ hum adwuma ye se ade a wo betimi aye na wadwene entimi ntiase eba no se na sa ade we entimi ye tumi me kita tumi 11185 tumi bia ni de ade a wo ye wo ba me hyira ma se wo pesika sika busum ho na ye be som no na bibia ye se aware asema ye be som no bibia wo pe bia no busum ho enye se wonya ba busum dem na me kire wo se me busum fo no nti wo de ye kabo no busum 11185 e wo me busum dem me na bufuruma e wo me busum dem e na ni nyina e wo no use wo ye abaya djuma wo ye police ni wo ye soldier ni wo pese wo susu wo mbedane ni pakasi e dachi family number na me ma protection na on fan protect wo ho what I say e you are the promotion account ho na wo promote wa sa na wo so be ko wo be dane penyini one day family number na on frame me ensuro ejire and out me ye different ni pa kura wa ba TV so na wo hunu no de bia the same story obi apie ba the same story obi apie ba o se wo ye sika na ade na wo si wo ye sika wan kasa meanwhile wan kasa wo ti hono wonni bi wo si wo ye sika ama amanfo wo so wonni sika aden bisa ho se aden fami no man na on frɛ me na me kira wo tumi se de tumi tie what you say me wo sika tumi me kita no three different types me ye bi nku nipa ye me sika djuma bi muti ho osi na me pese won ya adwuma we me pese me ntwa me sa na me fa me ntwa san enti sika duro me sika duro no ya you see mboa to say edwan na ntwe na edi yes adwuma no wo frame ya wo instant money wo ho ene wo sika duro ankasa sika duro no so woni adwuma me ye mawo woni adwuma e mawo sika min ye mawo ba instant money no me be ya mawo eno eye one day adwuma wo ba na wo bank account kora fabra me ye sika no wia me na me be di wanim e di wo ko bank e ko service sika no asa na what me atu akọ bibia wo fe en na efre instant money no ena money ritual so no so sika duro no eno e ade a wo di be ko fie wo ton ade kakra 1 week na wo be ye calculation na obe won say sika no edoso nipa be je say eye waduma na ema osika na ejire say eye we na ema osika o help nipa stop so I said there muma starting abedun there no business grow yi but every day wo say na say wo ya aduma ma no so original wo so nine so na wo so won dane say de wono so ti no sesi ewuase a ewe no obi mboa bi ewuase a ewo sesi no obi mboa obi ope mboa na wanso wan kasa wanso ale ngina wan nan so a on nipa ni ho a obeboa Ghana fo mama moni nda ho yan kasa aduro ni ho me amiti ho no say be ranki the most spiritual leaders those that the most spiritual leaders say one boy me din wo number 1 a obi ni ho omo amoba TV so nyina nkraman omo kasa de komo de wo ba meyesi ama wo kono wa ji osika wi okura na wa ma no body gas abu aka ho wa bu gosia say woni sika woni osika no use wa bu gosia aji osika me pacho family number na on friend na me ne won di nkomo wo ko mala be se 5 ho 6 ho sani pa no na me pe obi a wo ye huhuma adwuma pen aka na sa adwuma no enye ye ma no mo na me pe enti me be se wo se face we a wo hu no wo hu face no me na mo fe na bo furuma no wo hu mi face we na wa hu number me be se me be bo we no na kire se eye fake obi na pese wonje osika no because ye na ye huhumu leaders nti because of nyame ahire ye nti obi musu ha on pese omum twiye yes ye on pese omum gu ye ni wase say de obeka say na we no need to me number we are me pese me be me use 2 numbers ni nyina so MTN me ni Vodafone me ni Tigo me ni Airtel MTN mienu na mi use ba ko no ye 024 51 88 982 024 51 88 982 ena ba ko no so ye 054 15 35 665 054 15 35 665 wo friend number we wo number we a eya me no ena wo be chat me wo WhatsApp a eya 024 no en dey register WhatsApp wo so wo chat me a friend me wo video call ansa na dia wo be ye no wo aboje na wo be ya bibia friend me wo video call ansa na de obeye no na waye mo amuwa buchira sem na meka no friend video call me pikin one on one na me ni wa chat wa obehu mi face se wo face na enye mi face a enseni sika ma obia na eche na obetra obekachina ka se Nana Bofruma ju sika me ya no koda djuma watch as here enti me pese me fa twi no tu ho ye ko break we ba na maka English kakra de omunti twi no omuso beti English no kakra enti ye ko break no bra. I greet everybody who is watching me right now. This is the most powerful man you are waiting for in your life. Today you have seen him. I am the great Nana Bofruma. Bofruma means air. I work with air. In Twi, we call it Mframa. The day that I will do my work and the work will spoil, that means that day there's no air. You understand me? So those that are watching me right now, I want you to open your ears and your eyes and watch me. Then I'll tell you the secret behind spiritualism. Some people are there, they are just fooling and then stealing people for nothing, just because they want quick money and they don't know who to go to and then get that quick money. Please, I am out to help people spiritually. I'm a spiritual, like a worship stone. I'm not pastor. I'm not Malam. I am Nana. Mark my words. I am Nana. Somebody will come out and tell you that I am Nana Malam. This. You are using two names at the same time. Some people are there, they will say, I'm Nana. Oh, no, sorry, I'm Malam. You go to him. He will tell you, let's go to my shrine. Do Malams work in shrine? No. Malams don't work. They work in the mosque. They use Quran to do their miracles. And that miracles, it doesn't mean money. I don't see you are a Malam, you are doing money on TV. You are a liar. I Nana Bofruma, I said it. You are a pastor, you are doing money on TV. You are a liar. Since when did pastors start doing money? You say you are worshiping, you are following Jesus. Have Jesus do money before? No. Jesus only heal people. And are you Jesus? You are only worshiping Jesus. So if Jesus heal people, doesn't mean that you too you can heal people. It's only Jesus who heal people. So you that open your ears and listen to my message. Don't let them confuse you, saying because you are I'm a pastor, you are a follower, so because of that, believe in me. Let me ask you one thing. Pastors, they say, oh, you go and sleep, I'm your guide. I'll guide you in spiritual. Meanwhile, your house, you have bodyguards who guide you. When you are sleeping, you have bodyguards who guide you. When you are in the car, you have bodyguards who guide you. Why is it that Jesus is not guiding you and you have bodyguards? Tell me. If not because of lies. Lies. You people are liars. I said it, Nana Bofruma, nothing can do. If you need me and you call my number, it's me that will pick, nobody. I have boys. But because I know what I'm doing. If you come, if you are in the station, you come and you are looking for me, it's my boys that will go and pick you. But if you want to talk to me and you call me, it's me, nobody. I don't give my phone to my boys to receive calls for me. Because it's my work. I don't have any work and add to this work. The work that I'm doing is spiritual. So I don't have any work that I'll say I'm busy. So I will give my phone to my boys to receive calls for me. When you call, the two numbers, I have two numbers, they are on the screen. Any of them that you call, you will talk to me. Please, I want you to know that I want to tell you things that I do. You are in outside 5-6 years, no papers for you. Please stop crying and take the number. Contact me. I give you 1 week. They will call you and give you papers. You are in Ghana or anywhere of the country, West Africa, and you want to leave and go to America, London, UK, Italy, Germany, and they are doing your papers. Go and come. Visa, go and come. Please take the number and contact me. I will tell you how you do, and you go and they will give it to you. And they will never know until you go. They will say, "Cash, this guy will be like go and come, but he has gone because of the power that I'm holding." You want money, instant money. You want money rituals. You want pocket never dry. Take my number and call me. I will show you what is called instant money and what is called money. It doesn't matter if you are in outside. If you are in outside, you are in Ghana, you are in everywhere. Take the number. I'm everywhere. I'm air. My name, through my name that you know that I'm air. Anywhere I can be there. And pastors, I'm telling you, if you don't take your time, we will start to mention names of pastors that we have helped. Me in particular, because I will not help a pastor and later the pastor will be sitting down there. Go and ask your colleagues, those that me I help. If I help you and I know that right now what you are doing, I'll take my spirit, then your church will come down. We are helping you people. So if we help you, you don't supposed to insult us. You understand me? It's not about pastors matter way me at the sit down here, but if they pay me the way right now they don't tell the gospel of God. They only talk about spiritual people. I see something in spiritual. Are you a spiritual father? No, you are not. Me like this, I'm a spiritual leader and I'm a spiritual father as well. So I know what I'm doing. So please, what I'm doing, I'm not watching somebody and I'm doing my work. I'm doing my work really the way the work is supposed to do. If you call me and if you are in outside and you call my number on WhatsApp, make sure you call me on video call and see my face. There are a lot of people using my picture, my everything on Facebook, scamming people. Me, I have Facebook, only one Facebook. You understand me? The remaining all, I can search and I will see them and I will be laughing. You understand me? So I want to tell you that whatever be your problem you are going through right now, please contact me. I will show you. There's everybody who will come on TV and he talk about some like money matter and he don't do something to show that he have the power of doing it. He have the power of doing it. People will think that it's a lie. So I want to just show you something small. Then you will see that, yeah, indeed, Nana Bofrima is a great man. So cameraman, if you are watching me, I want you to watch this thing clearly. Watch inside. Just take inside well. Watch it. This is a pot. This is a pot. I want to do some small action. Then you people will see that indeed it's true. I'm not lying. I'm not bragging. Watch me well. Watch me. You watch me. Some people will put money here because they want to hide the money. Then people, after you put their hand inside the this thing, you will move the money put inside. All of it is planned. They are planning with the cameraman. Give the cameraman something. Then the cameraman too will agree and set video for them. Remember, when you spend somebody money today, tomorrow in heaven you will pay it. When you spend somebody money today, tomorrow in heaven you will pay it. So cameraman, you watch me very well. Then I will show you something. You understand? It's not about math. This is what I used to, if you have this thing, what I'm holding, if I open my heart and give it to you, there's no money on this earth that you will not spend. There is no money on this earth that you will not spend. If you have this thing, you understand me? So you watch me, cameraman. Both Fruma was also contemporary Malhosis and Hobazani, wherever you account with your spiritual power. Both Fruma was also contemporary Malhosis and Hobazani, wherever you account with your spiritual power. Both Fruma was also contemporary Malhosis and Hobazani, wherever you account with your spiritual power. Oi, Cabre, Mubunumu, Unchin Unfa, ya Atrimony, Muji so Momban Samonka, Ejito Mokaman, Mangler Bamba, Mother Mushinyoto, Uncambasam and Bintung Ramashbe. But I believe she didn't want to repeat from the kitchen. But Fruma was also contemporary Malhosis and Hobazani, wherever you account with your spiritual powers. Yeah. I want to tell you that what I want, my people are bringing it. It's true or it's not true. You understand me? What is this? This is Ghana City 20 cedi. What is that? This is Ghana City 20 cedi. You watch it. Watch the money. Watch the money. This is Ghana City 20 cedi. This is Ghana City 20 cedi. And this is 10 cedi. You understand me? This is 10 cedi. Watch the money. It's not about money. You understand? This is Ghana City 10 cedi. It's not about the money. It's not about the money. You understand? You have the powers. The powers. You understand? Bofuma was also contemporary Hobazani and Hobazande. I want you to go to Germany. I want you to go to London, UK, and bring dollars. Bring me dollars. Bring me dollars. What is this? This is euro. This is euro. What is that? Euro. What is this? Watch. This is dollars. Dollars. Watch them. What is that? This is dollars. This is dollars. Watch. I'm even confused because you have never seen dollar before. You have never seen. Look, watch the dollar. This is dollar. Watch them. What is that? Dollars. This is dollars. Watch the dollars. If I want to remove this money, I will remove and they will break us. It's from God. God give me the spirit that I should help people. It's from God. So there's nobody who can try me. God give me the spirit that I should help people. You watch. What is that? Watch. Is this not money? This is money. This is money. This is money. Watch. This is money. If I want to remove, I'll remove and they will break us. Watch. This is what? This is money. Money. Everything is money. Everything is real. This is real. Look, you what? It's real. That is real money. You understand? It's not like something that is fake. That is real dollars. Real dollars. You understand me? Real dollars. That is real. Real dollars. Watch. This is it. This is the box. This is the box. Watch. What is inside? Nothing. But that is what I said. This is what I use in calling the money. This is what I use in calling the money. So it's not something like that I'm lying. This is what I use and call the money. This. If you want some, you come. If you want to also be a spiritual father like me, come and I'll teach you how to do it. Stop lying to people that you are spiritual, meanwhile you don't have power. You don't have anything. You yourself, as you are watching people on TV, have you ever seen dollars like this? This is dollars. Have you ever seen dollars? Dollars like this? This is dollars. What is that? Dollars. Dollars and cedis. Money. Lajam. Kudi kudi. You understand? This is dollars. Dollars. So please take the number and call me. If you call me, I will show you how you do, and you also get this type of money. I will show you how you do, and you also get this type of money. So I thank everybody who is watching me right now, and I want to once again mention my number to you. Then you take the number and then call me. The number to call is 024 51 88 982. 024 51 88 982. And then the other number is 054 15 35 665. I thank everybody who is watching me right now. Bye bye.